We have given function f and we have to first find the domain. We see that we have quadratic function. We know that for quadratic function the domain is all real numbers. Why? Because we can take to second power every real number, we can add every real numbers, and we can multiply it by 8 every real number. So let me write this, the domain T belongs to all real numbers. Because we have quadratic function, we know the graph will be parabola. To draw parabola, we just need to find the peak and the roots. The formula for peak is x w y w is equal, first coordinate is minus b over 2a, and the second coordinate is minus, and in parentheses b squared minus 4ac over 4a. What is the b or a or c, if someone forgot? A is coefficient before t to the second power. So in our case, we can write a is equal negative 1. B is coefficient before t. In our case, we have 8. And c is constant because we don't have here anything. It means c is equal 0. So now we can just find our peak. We have to replace b by 8, 2 times negative 1, and we copy just negative sign, and we have b to the second power. It means we have 8 to second power minus 4 times a is negative 1 times c. C is 0. Close parenthesis over 4 times a is negative 1. So this is equal negative 8 over negative 2 will be 4. I will copy negative sign, and we have 8 to second power is 64. We have here 4 times negative 1 times 0, so it will be 0 over 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So our peak will be 4. Negative over negative give me positive. So it will be 64 over 4 is 16. We have peak of our parabola. Now we have to find the roots. So it means we have to take our formula, our function, negative t squared plus 8t is equal 0. We have to solve this equation. We can factorize t. So in parentheses we will have negative t plus 8 equals 0. When this left side will be 0, because we have multiplication here, when t will be 0 or negative t plus 8 will be 0. So we have to solve this equation. Negative t is equal negative 8. I will divide both sides by negative 1, so it will be t equals 8. We have two roots. We have peak. We can draw our parabola. So first we have to draw xy plane. In our case we have t-axis and f of t. Because we have in our peak 4, 16, I have to choose small unit. This can be 1, 1, negative 1. We have roots 0 and 8. It means the first point will be 0, 0, and the second will be 8, 0. 0, 0 is here. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is our second point. 8, 0. This is 0, 0. And our peak is 4, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. And 16, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now I have to connect these coordinates. We have our peak, and of course, because the coefficient before t squared is negative, it means our parabola will be up and down. So everything is okay. Now I have to just draw this. Almost. Okay. This is our f of t function.